Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel Make Money with Video, where I show lots of different ways to make money with different videos, and I promote it and upload it to different social media sites. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about something special. Like this Friday, yes, the Euros 2020 tournament will take place. It starts on Friday, guys, which means it's a great opportunity for you guys to start your channel. Yeah, and I'm going to show you today what to do, and I'm going to show you some examples now. Like this channel is making between 1.5 and 23.5 thousand a month, guys. Yeah, and all he's doing is just uploading images about different, or sometimes there's a bit of clips. Yeah, but if we look, looks like images and a bit of text and that over it. Yeah. Moving on, guys, to another channel, MGB Sports. Again, they're just showing a few clips. I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. A bit of text and that. Yeah. Another one. HITC Stevens. He's making between 1.1 and 17.3 a month, guys. And again, just images. Yeah. A bit of just images, guys. That's it. That's all you have to do, guys. And I'm going to show you on another one. 193 to 3.1. Oh, just a, I mean, he's talking that one, but look, and images in the background. He does talking through these, but look, images. Now, come over to Google, guys, and type in Euro 2020. In fact, before I put it in 20, if you look, type I'm going to put in news, yeah. I think I put it in like this way, news. And don't make sense, does it? News, right? So if you look at this, guys, so 880 people are searching for this a month. Now, if we put in Euro 2021 news, because that's some people are getting mixed up, 480 a month, guys. So I can't think what I did. Sorry, hold on a minute, guys. News. So I typed in news. Put in Euro 20. It's not showing, but anyway, yeah. So we want like top stories. So if we go to like let's just put it back in as a normal. Yeah. Look at all the latest news and that on all these different sites, guys. So say for instance we want to I don't know, pick one, yeah. Pick one, and we're going to turn articles to video. I'm going to show you two different apps that you can use, and they're both free to start, guys. Yeah. Some after a while you have to pay, others you don't. Right. So we click on any of these. Say for instance that one, that top one. Never been on this side. I don't know what's about. So all you need to do, just accept it. You can just, sorry guys, you can just, for instance, I'm just gonna copy that for a save. So, yeah, you wouldn't actually copy it all. You just take snippets or change it in your own words. Then you come over to a site called InVideo. As you can see, it's got pre-made templates, text to video, blank canvases. Yeah, but this is what we want, the text to video. If you want to know all about InVideos, check out my other videos where I show you how to sell these kind of videos. So this is the blank text, your text video, sorry. You can have the wide, square, or vertical. So you can do YouTube, yeah. If you want to start getting your YouTube channel up and running, it's a good idea. You've got your square for your Facebook, and you've got your vertical if you want to do TikTok, guys, which might be good for do TikTok, yeah. But look, you choose any of these, guys, and all you do, we'll just click this one, yeah. Pick that one, choose temple. Just script here. Paste your story there. Let me just copy that. Copy. That as our heading. Yeah. So this is all there. You press next. It's gonna make your video for you guys. Yeah. Whilst he's doing this one, it's gonna take you over. No, I'll stay on this one actually. Don't want to confuse anybody. So look, as you can see, it's already dragged the videos for you. Yeah, because it's talking about France, it's brought up like Paris, yeah, Eiffel Tower. So then you can change all these if you want. You can keep them as they are. It's talking about different people, yeah, different. It's talking about the people in the like Didier Deschamps. He's on here, so it's brought out videos about him. It's got the text over that, and then it moves to the side while it's talking about Mbappe. And it goes through it all, guys. And if you're happy with this, you can add scenes, you can delete it, you can come over to here and you can do your own uploads if you want your own images on that, your own videos. You can search for videos, same with images if you want to search for it. Yeah, that's it, guys. You just download it and share it. If you're happy with it, you download it and share it. Now, that is InVideo, guys. They have a free version, so you come over and do this. Now, another one, guys, is Vidnami. Now, for the sake of this video, we'll just click on one of them. We'll use that template and paste that in. Oh, no. I'll just go back to that. Back to this where I copied it, sorry. Come back to. You do the exact same, guys. But what I do, I kind of give it a little bit of like, so it doesn't all bulk up. And then that's it, create scenes. And it does the job for you guys. These two apps are brilliant. You can now this one's it's not found the actual pictures. Yeah. So what I do here, you can search for them yourself. So as it's talking about Oliver Giroud, yeah, you just search for him. So I don't know, France football. It'll find different stuff down here, guys. So if you want that one, there you go. Yeah. And then showing the stadium there, so we'll just keep it on that for now. If you didn't want this, you can choose whatever you want. Soccer team, put soccer team there. Put that one there, guys. Yeah. If you didn't want the text there, you can put it up there. And you just play around with it until you get it how you want it. You just go down, and when you're finally happy, I mean, this is talking about American football, so you'd have to change that for a start. Yeah, so again, when you're happy with that, so you come all the way down to the bottom, and you press, there you go. And then you can add music only, you can add auto voice, you can add your own voice, like if you wanted to just record it, say that out loud, you'll move on to the next scene. Or you can do the auto voice where you've got like your computer voices. And then if you don't want any, just want music, yeah, preview and unload. And that is what you do, guys. Then you come over to your site, yeah, and then you just upload videos about look, this one here, it's about Euro 20, yeah, and it's only got a couple of views, but as the tournament starts, you're going to get lots more views. Look, this is about the player, yeah, about teams, lifestyles, and that is all you do, guys. You just upload daily, or yeah, That's it. You can upload multiple times a day because using these kind of apps, you can upload article to video. It's that easy, guys. Now, another good thing about this one, if we look at press back a minute. Delete. I can't remember what we did, but what you on this, you don't have to do it bit by bit. Whereas what is this? Oh, this has gone into a different editing part, but still the same kind of thing. If you wanted to move it and that, guys, yeah, same thing. Yeah, guys. So that is it. All I can say is get one of these apps, go onto a news site. Yeah, it doesn't have to be about football. It doesn't have to, or soccer if you're from the United States. But the Euros, the Euro 2020, yeah, European Championship 2020 is starting on Friday, and it's going to have a lot of buzz around the internet. Lots of people are going to want to know the news. They want to know facts about it. They want to know about the latest gossip. So why don't you jump on board and create a channel all about it, guys? And before you know it, people are gonna be watching it, and your channel's gonna blow up. You're gonna get monetized, and then you can carry on with a sports channel. Get the sports news. Go over to Google and um, type in different like things. Like, look, all these, you can go to all these different ones. You don't have to come just to that. Come to BBC. Yeah. Now don't copy it word for word because that's not right at all, guys. But copy parts of it. Yeah. Change it around and stuff like that. Yeah. Put it into your words. Before you know it, you can be pumping out these videos every couple of minutes. Then you'll have a channel like these channels. Look, 1.5 to 23.5. Yeah. But this channel, guys, right? They're not monetized, yeah? Only got 437 subscribers. But what they do, right, in their description, they put affiliate links, yeah, leading back to different sports like programs and coaching things and like memorabilia and stuff like that, guys. And that is how they're making money, yeah? Just like I'm doing with this, yeah? So, guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And check out my other videos, guys. I've got lots of different ones. I'm talking about the text-to-speech software here. Talking about a great video software app here called Create Studio. Again, Create Studio, best free online courses, best scroll stoppers, video KDP. This is another way I'm making money, guys. So feel free, guys. And if you want to look for some niches, check out these kind of videos. I'm always uploading, guys. Hope you like this. And again, till next time, I'm Jay Roberts. Goodbye.